from the atom to the black hole. Sponsor, Science. A black hole is a region of space with such intense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape. This is the general understanding of the black hole. If gravity is still a phenomenon, how can we come to use this statement as if it was a fact? This is misleading. Besides, it is preventing our young thinkers from even to consider exploring the true nature of gravity. One of the things that irritate me most is, when scientists quote gravity and build up all sorts of formulae and equations around it, when they well know that they have no scientific proof of what gravity really is. As an authority, the majority of scientists are unwilling to admit that all they really know is what they have acknowledged from their tutors, a centuries-old legacy of scientific beliefs, some of which were later proven wrong. It is no secret to say that scientific research is sometimes corrupted due to conflict of interests or the lure of profits. Personally, I do not believe that black holes really exist as described in the first paragraph. However, let us assume that they do. I consider myself as another Faraday. After many years of intensive study, searching for the secrets of gravity, I arrived to a point where I feel the need to share my theory of this so-called black hole. According to science, there is more space in an atom than there is matter. So, from where does all the energy come to keep the atom together and active, may I ask? This is my answer. The energy comes partly from the electrical field of the planet itself. This electrified field is generated by the planet's inner core electromagnetism field, which as we know produces the north and south poles. And, the other part of the energy primarily comes from the planet's nearest star. This star, in turn, radiates myriads of electrified particles that shower onto all the neighboring planets. By means of these electrified particles, the atom gets its energy and stays alive and active. The auroras at the north and south poles are a physical example of these electrified particles. Our solar system, and in turn our galaxy, works in the same harmony. That is why the planets revolve and hold their orbit around their star. The planets and their star attract each other because of these electrified forces. This is what gravity is all about. The same could be said of one galaxy to another that holds our universe together. My theory stands that a black hole is nothing more than a space in the universe where the electrified energy of the neighboring stars do not reach, and therefore an atom cannot survive. Copyright 2022. At Science.